Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to insert logo in CapCut for PC. Here I've already opened my CapCut, and to insert a logo, you need to first import them to CapCut. And what you need to do is just go to Media and then click on Import, and then after that choose or select the logo that you want to add. For example, I want to add this logo. Just click on open and the media will be imported like this. And to add it to the video, you can just click on add it to track and place them as an overlay. So put it at the top of your video and then adjust the duration like this, and also this size you can just put it in anywhere you like. For example, I want to put it at the top right corner, so I'm going to go like this so that when you play the video, this logo will always be there at the corner. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.